everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will see some wonderful kitchen and home organization ideas. By organizing the things in your home and kitchen, you can easily find everything in time. You can also use the doors of the cabinets to organize your things as you are seeing in this video. Different types of organizers are available in the market. By using these organizers, you can organize more things in small space. Or you can also make some DIY organizers for your home and kitchen from waste material. I will also make some videos on how to make DIY organizers from waste material. So keep watching my channel and also subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet. More than 50 ideas of home and kitchen organization are given in this video. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new on my channel, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.